All right, we're about to show you how to drive home if you lost your clutch. Let this fucking tweaker pass us real quick. Get the fuck out of here.
All right. Drive a no clutch 101. All right, first.
Sticker in first.
Put it in first.
Start it.
Pump start.
Now you're going.
Now you're moving.
All right. Now.
This is the hard part.
This is the hard part.
Now the easy part, cut the key, jam that bitch in the second, turn the key back on.
Do not hit the starter though, because it does not like that.
And you're moving.
And we're moving.
And,
need to go third.
Oh.
Sometimes you just gotta restart. Oh.
Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta
Sometimes, you know.
In front of people.
In front of people. That's even better. We're in front of an entire family. Yep. First. Second. See? The restart was key. The restart was key.
That didn't sound good.
Shh. This is only to get home. Maybe you won't be 30 to 45 minutes away from home like we were.
And hope there's nobody coming down the one-lane bridge.
Oh, fuck.
Otherwise...
Oh, also, always check your mirrors. Yeah. Oh, yeah, around the world. Double around the world. One-lane bridge at 60. Fuck it. God damn. This thing floats. Daily driver for the next 6 months. Fuck it. Who gives a shit? It's a Ranger. Oh, it does that. That's a different problem. Your shit probably won't do that. This one's just fucked. Yep, that's a different problem. That's not no clutch. That's legitimately a different problem. All right, come to me on my TED Talk next week, 7 p.m. at the Crack Den.
Gonna show you how to put a clutch in.
Yep, Brenton, probably not. Clutch tutorial coming soon.
Yeah.
Just in case you missed it the first time, we're back again. Oh god damn, that one was strong. Yep, second. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Probably keeping it in second.
Probably. Oh god damn, this thing's got some torque. God damn, that's how I blew up my clutch. But Jesus, what the fuck? Yeah, that's how my clutch went at Rod Runs. We're still trying to do that 3 days later. Still fucked. Alright, anyway, TED Talk, 7 p.m. at the Crack Den. How to whip this bitch with no clutch.
Trust.
This is gonna be a separate video. This is part 2.
Oh yeah.
How to whip your shit with no clutch. The Daily Driver no clutch edition.